We'll guide you through how to download images from Google. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's convenient to be able to go and download images from Google, so we're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. To go and get started, what we need to do is go and open up a web browser. You can use one of your choice. I'm going to go and use Edge, so I'll go and press search at the bottom and type in Microsoft Edge. You could use Chrome, Firefox, you get the idea. What I'm then going to do is go and head to Google. Now what you want to do is go and search for what you want to go and download. Let's go and say I wanted to go and download something to do with GuideRealm. We'll go and press images at the top. Now it's important to note that you need to consider what you're going to be doing with the image, because images can go and have different copyright and you may need permissions to go and use it in some cases. So do just consider what you're going to be using the image for. Go and click on the image you want to go and download like so. And then what you can do is you can go and right click on the image like this. You'll get a list of options. You want to make sure you go and find Save Image As and click there. Your File Explorer will pop up and you can name it what you want. I'll name this GR2 and we'll go and press save. And it'll then go and download as you can see. You can find where you saved it.